Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a step back into what I actually started fooling with when I was a young guy. I've literally bought and sold over the years probably close to 400 Gravely's. I have sold a pile of them. We parted out a bunch years ago, a bunch of L models. I've had them for years. These are a tough tractor. There's a lot of guys out there, the old saying, if you know, you know. Here is a very nice package set up. Belonged to a good customer of ours. He's decided to clean up some things he's not using anymore. This is a very, very nice Gravely. This is some of the last built Gravely stuff out there. This is a professional 16 horsepower Kohler Magnum on it, 8-lead transmission. This has a 48-inch Gravely fast hitch mower deck. It has a Gravely 36-inch fast hitch mower deck. Shaft is all there and complete. And it has, right there is a hard to find piece. That is a Gravely fast hitch snow blade with the counterweight, all complete. The fast hitch is on the tractor, obviously the horn is there, as they call it. These tractors are unbelievably tough. I actually had two that had come in. They were some of the last serial numbers had been produced that I'd sold years ago. I wish I never would have. These are just little pieces of history. This is back when something was built that actually amounted to something. Again, Gravely 16 horse Kohler mag. Serial number on this tractor is a 00613411. There will be a Gravely buff out there who knows more of the serial number range of stuff that I did. They'll tell us what year it is. But very clean, very nice. It is all original. It is not something that has been touched up or painted. This is the original condition. We just waxed it. It does have a Gravely dual wheel kit on it. So the dual wheel kit is there, the cast dual wheel kit. Sheet metal is excellent on the hood here. Couple scratches, couple scuffs. Here's something that's very nice. Very seldom did I ever get many of them ever come along, but there is a nice Gravely steering sulky that is complete. It has had a weld repair there on the hitch. Other than that, it's in very nice shape. Dual wheel kit, like I said, tires are excellent. Did have that new style exhaust that was put on them in their last year's of production. They generally, a lot of them had that round muffler. That had the big muffler on it. Deck is not welded. Spindles are excellent. Thing mows great. Extremely nice piece. Coming up here to this 36-inch two-blade deck. Again, gearbox, everything there is good. It's not welded, busted. Shaft is there and with it. Side deflector is on it. Side deflector I do not have for that unit. He did not have it. Snow blade, excellent shape. Does have the counterweight, does have the fast hitch. The locking pin is even there for it. So, I am not going to separate this package. I'm sure we'll have people call. There is still a lot of guys out there who do these Gravely's. These are a tough tractor. You know what they'll do. They'll run forever. The steering, or the sulky ball is actually on it for a traditional hitch style sulky. The drop leg is here for changing out attachments to hold the tractor up. Tractor does have 1,280 hours on a working meter. I'm going to start it here, run it through all its gears before I kick the PTO in. Again, these are just true, this is back when they built something. So we'll fire him up here and run it around. nice, very clean. Does have the steering brake, so when this sulky is off, you'll just hold down and you can push. Does have the steering brake on it to easily steer it. You know, I wish I had a 30-inch long shank brush hog to put with it. You know, Gravely has made for years. That's these tractors are really known a lot for, obviously mowing, but they have a brush hog, they have a sickle bar, there's a sprayer unit that goes on the front. I forget off the top of my head, there's 40 or 50 different attachments. There's all kinds of stuff that Gravely made for these units. These two-wheel tractors, truthfully, are tough. They are a real tractor. That has a rear end in it that's heavier than what's in a Ford pickup, but you get what I mean. Something like this is built to last forever. They'll run and run and run. And here's something that's a nice package. I haven't had one of these come along like this in a long time. It kind of takes me back to where things used to be, a lot simpler, well-built product that would run and last. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website. Feel like pricing this thing very reasonable for what it is. It's just a very nice piece. So if you like history, if you like stuff that runs and will last forever, take a look at this. Here's something that will last a God a lifetime. So 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.